Hello everybody, welcome back to Making It Up. I'm Isa and today I have a lot of makeup on my face. I do. So today I have a very dramatic look for you guys. I decided I wanted to play with color. I'd been doing a lot of more natural looks because of the summer, but I just wanted to incorporate something a little bit more colorful. So I came up with this Burgundy Halo Eye. I know I'm not like the first person to ever do this, but I just wanted to do something fun and I wanted to go back into color. So I whipped out my burgundy shadows and this is the look I created. So if you're interested in knowing how to get the look, then make sure to keep watching. Also, if you're into what you're seeing right now and you would wish to see more, make sure to subscribe to never miss out on any more videos. Let's get started. Let's go. Okay, so I've already primed and set my eyes, and today I'm also going to be using my Makeup Geek and Colourpop shadows that I used last video because I haven't been using them a lot and I really want to. So first, for transition shade, I'm using Issues by Colourpop, which is this beautiful peachy color. And I'm just going to go in with a fluffy brush and blend out. And I'm also taking the product all the way in because we are going to be doing kind of like a halo eye. So next I'm going to go in with another Colourpop shadow in Stay Golden. And with the smaller brush, I'm going to apply this all over my crease and the outer and inner corner of my eye. And I'm just going to blend it out. This is going to be our main color, so you want to blend it out really well. And once I have my initial blend, I'm going to go in with something a little bit fluffier and I'm just going to finish blending this color out. And then I'm blending everything out with a clean brush. After doing that, I'm going to go in with Bitten by Makeup Geek, one of my favorite all-time eyeshadows. I'm going to go in with a small brush and just apply this to the outer corner and the inner corner of my eye very gently. I know I look like a mess right now, but don't worry about it. We'll clean it up later. I'm gonna go in now with the shade that will go on my, what is this called? The center of my lid. But first I'm gonna cut the crease, but not really. With my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, I'm just gonna do a little bit. I don't want to do a lot because I have very small eyes, so I won't take it up to here. I'll just leave it on the center, down below. You'll see right now what I'm about to do, people. Okay, so I'm grabbing a little bit of this product here and just applying this to the center of my lid. And kind of blending it out with the shadows that I've already applied, so not being too precise with it. And then I'm blending the edges with a little bit of Bitten. After doing that, I'm gonna go in with the foiled eyeshadow and in the Spotlight from Makeup Geek. And I'm going to grab a little bit of this on a tiny brush. And then I'm gonna apply it to the places where I apply the concealer. And again, blending it out with Bitten. And then I'm doing the same thing on the other eye. Okay, and once we have that, we could definitely go in with the same shadow and just wet the brush. But I'm gonna go in with my Touch in Sol Metalist Liquid Foil and Glitter Shadow Duo in, what are you, Talia or Talia? Looks like this, and I'm just gonna be using the glitter side of it. And I'm just gonna place it right on top, like just on the center of where I placed the foiled shadow. Okay, and after doing that, I'm just going to clean this off and we'll move on to the lower lash line. Okay, since I'm playing with a lot of red colors, I don't want that to make my eyes look sick, like I'm sick, so I'm going to go in with a nude on the waterline, and I'm using my Rimmel Scandaleyes Waterproof Kohl Kajal Nude Liner. No Colourpop today, guys. Colourpop is taking a break, and we're using something different and new. You're welcome. Okay, now for my lower lash line, I'm going to be doing the same colors, but I'm just going to make them a little bit softer and not as thick because I don't want this to be like extra dramatic, you know what I'm saying? So I'm going with the Issues color first with a fluffy brush, and I'm just running this all along. Then I'm going to go in with Stay Golden with a smaller brush, and I'm just applying this all along my lash line as well, just a little bit tighter. Okay, so now I'm going in with Bitten, and I'm just applying this to the outer corners of my eye. Okay, now I'm going to go in with the Makeup Geek Shadow in Corrupt. I'm just going to apply this on my lash line wherever I put like the dark colors, so over the outer corners and the inner corners, not in the middle, kind of lining the eye. Okay, great. Now that the eye look is complete, I'm going to go ahead and do my mascara. Roller Lash by Benefit, of course. This look is very dramatic, so it definitely calls for falsies, so I'm going to be using my Kiss Lily lashes. They look like this. I've never worn them, but yeah, they look very comfy, so I'm just going to go and apply these off camera because God knows I can barely even apply lashes, and I won't be able to do that on camera. So I'm going to go apply these, and then we'll be able to move to the rest of the face. Oh wait, I almost forgot. I'm also going to be applying the Touch in Sol foil to the inner corner, so let's do that right now before I leave you guys for a while. Okay guys, I'm back. My foundation, concealer, and powder are done, and my lashes are done as well. Of course, these lashes look beautiful and perfect, and these lashes look so bad. Just, oh my god, I can't even. But anyways, let's just try to ignore the ugly lash and focus on the cute lash. My brows are done, my base is done, and now it is time to just complete it. So I'm going to go in with my Hoola bronzer to contour / bronze. And I'm going in a little bit heavier because this is a more dramatic look, so I'm going a little extra today. Now for highlighting, I'm going in with my Becca Champagne Pop highlighter, and I'm also going a little bit extra with this today. And then I'm going to add a little bit of blush. I'm going in with my Bare Minerals Gen Nude That Peach Though blush. And then to lock everything in, I'm going in with my Urban Decay All Nighter Makeup Setting Spray. Mine's really dirty and used. Now that we're done with that, we're going to move on to the lips. I'm going in with my Bite Beauty Lip Liner in number 20. Okay, and after lining and filling my lips, I'm gonna go in with my Fenty Beauty Mademoiselle lipstick in Single, which is the most beautiful nude color of life. Anyways, you guys, that is it for today's video. It was a lot more colorful. It was a little bit more complicated, a little bit more steps, but I really like how it turned out. I really like the eyes because I love warm tones and I love burgundies. And I love halo eyes because I make my eyes look bigger. So yeah, if you enjoyed it, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. It gives me feedback and lets me know what you like and what you don't. And if there's any other videos that you guys wish to see from me in the future, make sure to leave your suggestions down below. If you're not subscribed yet, then make sure to hit that subscribe button. And if you want to be a part of next week's video, which is going to be a subscribers choose my makeup video, make sure to follow me on Instagram. Links and everything are down below, and my username will be on the screen. And yeah, I think that is it for today. Thank you all so much for watching. I don't know why I always do these like weird hand things, but anyways, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next week. Bye! Mwah!